Hello, welcome to .NET Tech channel. So today we'll discuss about C# programming language tutorials. So today is our first lesson. In this lesson you will learn how to run the project, how to debug the C# programming language, and C# basic syntaxes. So all the things I'm going to share with you from macOS. C# is open source cross-platform language. So for running the C# programming language, I will use VS Code as a code editor, and C# for VS Code for run and debug the program. And also I will install the .NET SDK 6.0 for macOS. So let's start. So initially I will install VS Code. So let me show you VS Code practically. So VS Code for Mac Universal, here you can see. So as you can see, I already installed the VS Code in my Mac. So just let me open the Mac VS Code. So here's the VS Code. I will create console application and run, debug, and show you how C# programming language work in different ways. So let's install the .NET SDK 6.0. .NET Core. So here is the .NET Core 6.0 LTS lifetime support. So already browser smartly selected the macOS. You can select Windows, Linux, and macOS. So in our next tutorial we'll run same program Linux, Windows machine. So I already installed .NET SDK in my Mac machine. So let me show you from terminal the .NET version. So here is my terminal, .NET version. So as you can see, 6.0.4.0 are already installed. So first two important tasks already we have done: install the VS Code for code editor, install the .NET SDK. So another important things, we have to install C# extension for VS Code powered by OmniSharp. I already installed, just let me show you. So if you type the C# and here is the C# extension for debugging and run the C# program. So our environment is pretty much ready. So we will just going to create a new console application using terminal and run and debug the program. Before creating the program, let me explain a little bit why C# program and what is the benefit and what is the use cases of C# programming language. C# is one of the most top programming languages on GitHub. C# is a cutting edge open source cross-platform object-oriented programming language, and Microsoft created a straightforward, contemporary, all-purpose object-oriented programming language C# as a part of .NET strategy under the direction of Anders Hejlsberg. In this lesson, we'll walk through getting started with C# Hello World programming, overview, environment. Already I showed you the installation of code editors and SDK, basic program structure, and basic syntaxes. So if you question why C#, pretty straightforward answer from my side. Most popular, easy to learn, huge community support, object-oriented programming, cross-platform, and most importantly, C# is open source. And what is the use case of C#? Mobile application, desktop application, web application, web services, gaming, VR, database application, and much more. So we are planning to design 15 plus lesson for C# language beginner. Once we have done the C#, then we will start the ASP.NET Core web application, like full stack application. We will show the real time application in that lesson. Okay, so we just know why C#, importance of C# and use case of C#. So let's begin our first console application. Let me show you from VS Code. Okay, let me create the C# programming from terminal. Go to the your program location. I already have a location. Here is my project location. Here is the C# folder. Lesson-1 hello world. Just in the settings icon, copy as a path name. Now go to the terminal, cd. So here is your program location, folder location. So you can check the .NET version again, .NET version 6.0. Now I'll create the C# command, new .NET new console. As you can see, the template console app was created successfully, processing and running .NET. So let me show in the VS Code. Open folder, hello world C#. So here is the basic program structure, program file. So VS Code automatically suggests you for required asset build to debugging file. So just say yes. So it will help to debug the program. So program.cs hello world CS Pro program project file. So C# .NET 6 platform console application is pretty simple, just a console.write line. So as Python, there is no public static arg, and you can switch to the old structure. It is automatically suggested, convert to program instead. Okay, let me, before switch to the old console application program structure, let me show you how to run the project from just right click in your go to the terminal, new terminal. Already see your program directory is selected, so clear .NET build. Build success. So let's run the project. .NET run. See, hello world, successfully run the project. So in this beginning tutorial, we have learned how to run the project and basic C# terminal commands. So let me show you convert to the program structure. Here's the program structure. I will debug the how to show you how to debug the C# program from VS Code on .NET Run. Hello world. So let me show you how to debug the program. So let me create a variable integer x equals to 0 plus x, just for test. So go to the run and start debugging. So already started debugging. I just for step over for F10. So step over F10. So here you can cursor x is showing 0. Let me run the project. So hello world 0. So today is our basic lesson, how to run the project, introduce with basic syntax. So C# is pretty much easy syntax. So console.line, and you can arrange the code. Let me show you how to arrange the code. Shift and is getting space. So command option F, press yes, just it rearrange the code. So today is our first lesson, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So in our coming days we will publish more C# next lesson. We will try to cover full programming language within 15 lessons. So today just it was basic, and I have just shown you basic terminal command and create the console application, run the console application, debug the console application. I also covered the basic introduction of C# programming language, why C# and use case of C#. So before ending the program, today's lesson, let me show you the today's lesson summary. So C# programming tutorials for beginners. I am Shahidul Islam Shahed. Here is the step: .NET Core SDK installation, VS Code installation, C# extension for VS Code, create console application using terminal, pretty simple command, debug the program. We have already seen how to debug the program, why C# already explained, and code arrange command macOS shift option F. So thank you. My English might be slower and not pretty faster, so I'm really sorry about that. I will try to improve my language statement in the coming lesson. So hopefully everyone understand my first lesson. So see you in the next lesson. So please share your feedbacks and don't forget to subscribe our channels. Thank you again.